Hello viewers, new unboxing a portable butane gas camping stove from Amazon Prime. One membership, many benefit for customers. Yes, good packing, good customers. This one is more see, there is still looking good. Let's see what I open it. Let I also open. Minus plus. This one is adapter for butane can. Can let video check it how it burns. Okay, just put it here and turn it. If you love to camping, picnic, hiking or motovlogging, you definitely go for it. It's around 1200 rupees available in Amazon. Good product. I already in description I give buying link on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.